when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Don't talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in, well I guess that you're right. But fake has been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night, then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, folk to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us. There's more to love than surface. Lost the surface front. And the night of I spill my guts, she said. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes the floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. Now I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, and something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind, you're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines, but if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick and they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be a memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me. Wanna dream bigger, better legacy. I know I'm more than open sesame, but if you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me.
On the bright side, yeah. On the bright side, yeah. One leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking in my wrist, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Studio, we chillin', are we making hits, yes. Waiting for the next tour, you wish I was piss poor. Saw they getting mad, but what they really getting pissed for? Seeing more behind the frame, future bright, but feel the shade. Thinking ain't nobody feel the way I do, but someone gotta feel the same, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, no. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind. welcome to my life, welcome to my life. Save some lights from these notes, baby bite in my flow. I don't need a Grammy trying to bring to life what I wrote. I don't drive, I just coast, don't get high, I just flow. I be chilling with my homies, breaking bread, it's time we eat, yeah. 51 in FL Studios with the beats. On the hook, I be catchy, on the 16s, I'm a freak. I be texting with Destiny, about time that we meet. She ain't bout it for you, I bet she's bout it for me, for real. On the bright side, yeah, this music, it became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music, it became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my...
Where we were, maybe it's just the way I am. Maybe it's that feeling every time I got to hold your hand. I know that's cheesy, but I just want you to understand. The memories are there, even if you forgot how we danced. Hurt feelings, numb nights, you know it's all the same. If love's an endless battle, why'd we play it like a game? It takes two to play, so how am I to blame? I gave you everything and all you did was fade away. You wanted love, you gave me hurt, and it hurt more to make it work. You were a chapter in my life, I was a line in yours. We went through hell and back just for you to get me back. And after all of that, take a glance on where that left us at. So go ahead, pretend the rest of your life hide behind all of that makeup with those heels too tight. When you realize what you want is buried deep inside, I look deep into your eyes and say we'll be alright. Like the hurt's not enough. Don't tell me the things that you missed. Why you keep saying love when you don't know what that is? But honestly, you're an addiction that no rehab can fix. And to be real, I have no clue of what all of this is. Cause one moment I'm done, then I don't know how to word it. Cause what's broken can't be fixed, but what's fixed isn't worth it. So I guess this is that moment where I say that goodbye. Maybe it's not the happy endings, but the way that we tried. Not the drowning of the lies, but the reasons we lied. The special moments where we saw that love in each other's eyes. But go ahead, pretend what we had wasn't real. That these other guys could understand the way that you feel. When you realize what you want is buried deep inside, I'll look deep into your eyes and say you'll be alright.
When they don't even know the half of my story, just what only they told. Cause they feel they should expose me for all I have and all I've gained this year. Everything I've said and all I've ever did. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They say they know, but they don't know what they say they know, but they don't know what they. I come from a small town, so a little bit of talk gon' go round. But that's okay, I'm on my way, never slowed down, I did it my way. Came out the town, hit the highway, all for the town where my heart stayed. Now I'm in the city, went overseas and they riding with me. Met up with fans out in Norway, 5,000 miles from my old ways. That's a lot of distance from the old days. Lot of difference couple years make. Not a minute that I would trade, not a second that I could change. Everything that I went through made me everything that I am. They say life is what happens when you've been busy making other plans. I just learned who I was through doing all that I've done. Living off what I live for, and I live for what I love, yeah.
People staring at me everywhere that I go. They try to judge me when they don't even know the half of my story, just what only they told. Cause they feel they should expose me for all I have and all
apps on a laptop in my driveway. You know I came a long way, from bench for lyrics, spewing out a heartache. Nowadays I'm closer with my family than I ever been. Living in the city, got a new girl and she loving all of this. Got the best team, chase the best dreams, got a circle that I trust. They talk to us about making it, but I think I'm on the cusp. But that ain't what it's been about, nah, this journey shaped who I am. They say life is what happens when you've been busy making other plans. Went international, off of passion, oh, this too good to be alive. Looking out the window on the way home, so much went into that flight, yeah.
People staring at me everywhere that I go. They try to judge me when they don't even know the half of my story, just what only they told. Cause they feel they should expose me for all I have and all I've gained this year. Everything I've said and all I've ever did. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's like I'm living in my casket. I always thought that you would be the one. You never seem to care what I have done. Now all you ever make me feel is numb, numb, numb. It's like I'm living in my casket. I'm sure you're proud to tell your friends you won. You might as well be here to hold the gun. If I could change the past, I would've run, run, run. But now I'm living in my...
You can keep the drama or the lies too. I can't count the times I was lied to. Always play the victim, tell a different story. It's an art form, the way you hide truth. Got my own version, you were never there. Playing mind games, never show you cared. Almost lost my brother's life inside a crash. Tried to call you up, but you was out impaired. It's the same story. Don't wanna hear I'm sorry. You treat everybody but yourself these days so poorly. And you ain't gon' change, you made that clear from the start. I feel like I'm losing my heart. If I could go back, I'd make sure that we never met. Cause I know the real person you are.
Living in my casket. I always thought that you would be the one. You never seem to care what I have done. Now all you ever make me feel is numb, numb, numb. It's like I'm living in my casket. I'm sure you're proud to tell your friends you won. You might as well be here.